Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to the Bitcoin Bulletin. Today we're diving into some exciting news from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. So, you know how much everyone was hoping for the Fed to cut interest rates soon? Well, it looks like that's not happening anytime soon, at least not in the short term. According to Jerome Powell, the head of the Federal Reserve, the Fed needs more time to see the effects of newly levied U.S. tariffs on the global economy. This is big news for crypto markets, because if we're expecting higher inflation and slower growth, it's going to affect everything from Bitcoin to stocks. And you know what that means? Crypto traders are getting nervous, and prices are starting to fluctuate. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. Bitcoin is up 2% in the past 24 hours, touching nearly $84,500. That's still a bit below where it was last week, but it's definitely holding its own. Other altcoins like Solana, Ether, and XRP are also seeing some gains, with Solana leading the charge at 6%. But not all coins are doing well. Celestia's TIA is actually down 4%, which is a significant loss for investors who were hoping to see some green in their portfolios. Now, let's talk about what this means for crypto traders like Jeff May from BTSC. He told us that the Fed's decision has dashed hopes of early rate cuts, and now Bitcoin is expected to trade in the $80,000, $90,000 range until we see more clarity on tariff negotiations and rate cuts. Augustine Fan from Signal Plus also weighed in on this story. He said that Powell's remarks disappointed doves who were hoping for a quick fix to their economic woes, but that crypto markets are still focused on the details of Trump's first trade deal and corporate earnings season. And speaking of technical analysis, our team at Bitcoin Bulletin spotted some interesting patterns in the market today. From machines spouting out insights on everything from crypto derivatives to DeFi protocols. Now I know what you're thinking. What about Shoria, our co-leader of tokens and data? Well, let me tell you, Shoria has got the scoop on all the latest market trends and analysis. As for how this news affects your portfolio, that's something we'll be covering in future episodes. But one thing is for sure, crypto markets are always on the move, and it's up to us as investors to stay informed and adapt to the changing landscape. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. We've got all the latest news, analysis, and insights to keep your wallet safe and prosperous in this wild world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Bitcoin Bulletin.